On the Trixie Railway, Elias always pulls the express, and Lily always pulls the local. But one day, as Friedrich was shunting the local train, the controller walked up to him. The controller told Friedrich that Lily was sick and that he had to skate the train. So Friedrich argued. He was very excited, but the guard didn't come. He waited and waited. At last, 30 minutes late, the guard came and blew his whistle. Friedrich finally got to pull a train, and he was proud of it. He finally arrived at the station, but there waiting for him was the controller of the railway. "Friedrich, I need to talk with you," he said. "Yes, what is it?" "Well, you were going too fast along the line." "What do you mean?" He asked. "Well, didn't you see the signs saying how fast you're allowed to go?" "No, I didn't, sir." "Well, then you go back to the yard." At the yard, Lily was waiting for him. "Thank you for pulling my train for me, Friedrich," he said, "even though you were going too fast."